Well, I hope you've recovered from Carnival because it's time to get ready for Reggae Sumfest. Only a few days away and I can't wait. So as you realized, we've been moved up to 11 p.m. to accommodate our athletes making strides at World Champs. So tonight, we've pulled some of our favorite intense moments just for you. So if you're ready, let's do it. Sanjay couldn't wait on the place to free up because it meant he was back in the streets again, especially on a Wednesday night.
The newest thing on a Wednesday night, leg of the street. Leg.
Sanjay, my girl, I'm gonna tear up the hair. Come for change back dancehall to what it really was.
Intense, the party load, it's done up. Breezy! Well, the breeze is a breezy vibe, man. Leg of the streets, how it look?
You know, there's a good look to Sanjay.
The whole street come out fit, it buck, turn over.
Ready up on the gun. Straight! It look Gucci.
Jamaica is amazing.
Fully active out here.
Yeah, man, you don't know leg of the street. After wedding, you know, yes, we there. I saw it up.
Guy food up the chop. Alright, that's how we go. Ah, new song.
Enjoy so much, Jamaica. It's a very place.
You can't have the money over in a pop Leg of the street. Them a leg of the artists, them a leg of the skanker, them a leg of everyone. You see the vibes there is a good vibes and the unity nice. I want them here. Them better hear the Sanjay. God! We are the part owner for leg of the street in the Sanjay. Yeah, it's an event that we started in a pandemic. And the place open up now. I will say we not stop keep it. Now go get our street here. Big up Intense. I want to talk the artist Intense. We are talking Intense on TVJ. So, leg of the street, reach Intense. Ken cut hot again every Wednesday night. Leg of the street.
These parties are never empty. By the way, speaking of party, have you seen Sean Paul's new video with Gwen Stefani and Shensia? Back at Richie looking for dance moves in the street. Intense soon forward.